The U-Haul review starts about 1 minute in. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com, and I've got all kinds of cars for sale. You see Trans Ams, and I got stuff everywhere. I got 120 cars for sale. But this video is about a U-Haul truck, and I rented the biggest U-Haul truck around because I needed to fill it up with a bunch of stuff I bought at auction. So in this video, I'll walk around the U-Haul, show you, talk about the how to check it out, make sure you don't get screwed for damages that are already there. Definitely get the insurance, my opinion. Do what you want. If you get the insurance, it costs like 25 bucks a day. You won't have any damages. It's all covered. Then I go and I show you how it pulls up the pass in beautiful Helena, Montana. And then after that, I talk about dropping it off and figuring out how much gas to put in it to where they don't charge you like 12 bucks a gallon for gas. You got to get the right amount of gas back in these things, or it could really add up. That's about it. Hope you enjoy. Check out my channel. There's all kinds of cars like these all over it. I got about 8,000 videos on there. Other than that, enjoy your U-Haul and enjoy your trip. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. I rented this truck because I needed to move an entire truckload of stuff I bought at auction. If you've never rented a U-Haul, I'm going to give you a walk around of it. This is the biggest U-Haul that's made. There's all kinds of dogs over here. Guess we're just going to have to deal with that. This is the biggest U-Haul made. It's a 26 foot. It's a V10, and it'll haul anything you want to haul. I've got a little bit of video about pulling up the drag with it up the, what do you call it, the pass, and it does really good. Had no problems. I've always had good luck with U-Haul. I've used Penske and I don't remember the other one. I think Enterprise does them. I've used quite a few rental places. U-Haul always gives me a good truck. Never broke down to date. I mean, I'm sure that somebody out there has, but I always get a good low mile truck. This thing has 70,000 miles on it. Really and truly, I didn't look at the year, so I'll go ahead and do that too. But I'm going to tell you a tip or two about picking them up and all that. So check out my channel, subscribe. I have a lot of videos on here, something like 9,000. When you pick up your truck, check this out. You'll notice a tag. They put a tag on them when there's damage. So physically inspect your entire truck, look it over, make sure, I mean, there's going to be bugs on the front. That's on them to clean it up. All you have to do is just sweep it out. So that's pretty easy. I'm going to show you inside the back of it real quick, and this ain't going to be a really long video. They've gouged that down there. There's stickers everywhere on it. Make sure there's stickers, or get video, or talk to them, because you don't want to pay for somebody else's damage. And like I say, make sure you sweep the thing out. That's the main thing you got to do, or they will charge you, or you'll be buying a broom. There you go. Yeah, they charge you 25 bucks. This is a nice area up here to stack some lighter things. It's a large, this is a 26 footer. They have them every size. I'll tell you about how much it cost me to rent and all that. And it's pretty economical and such. Hang on. These ramps come out. There's a really low deck. And make sure and remember, should have showed you. I made the mistake of thinking it was flat. And I could just push all my pallets in. Didn't work that way within humps. These have a very low. These have a very low deck to where the ramp comes out. It's very nice. Now, I needed to go 150 miles. And I rented it. Look at this big dent. But this already taken count. I rented it, and I was going to take it back to my hometown, and they said, hey, you want to save, I think it was $84. $84 to take it to Missoula, and they gave me the extra miles, so that's what I did. Very clean inside. That's basically the truck. I'm going to cruise down the road, get this thing returned, and show you inside of it while I do it. Very nice. All your creature comforts, ice cold AC, automatic transmission. This V10, you got plenty of pizzoodle. They really are not hard to drive. I've had a lot of people drive them for me that had never driven them. Don't be too scared of it. Take your corners wide, all that stuff if you've never drove something like this. But these things shoot down the road. This one has 70,993 now. I like to reset my mileage, my triple meter, when I get going. I've had 166.9 miles, and we getting 8.2. So 8.2 miles a gallon ain't too bad. Let me throw my jacket up here to where I can show you the seat. And this here picks up. I'll do that now. Oopsie. Gotta stop. This here picks up, and you got an extra seat. This Hummer is for sale. This is who coming to pick me up. What's up? How you doing? You need to move? Okay, that's the deal. That's your Uhaul. I'll probably throw a picture of it up in here going up a pass. I got 8.2 miles a gallon, and it cost me $151 plus the insurance of $56. And that included 220 miles and insurance. If anything happens, it's covered. 207 total, and I just put 90 bucks in gas to drive 174 miles it's going to be by the time I drop it off. Here's the pass. I'm pulling about the biggest hill you could. Beautiful views. And this thing, even when you downshift, it's not, there's all the way down. It's very quiet inside. Listen to the radio, whatever. It's definitely not, and I'm boots to the metal, man, going up this hill. This is an 8% grade. An 8% grade is very few and far between. But look at that view, man. Just gorgeous. Beautiful G30 in the mirror. Fantastic 97 F350. Last year, the square body. I don't remember what they call these. Nice truck, though. They give you a lot of tips here. And if you've never drove a truck like this is definitely a good thing to read and check out, and make sure you don't go under nothing that's lower than 12 foot. When you're dropping it off, just figure out your miles, and my miles were, that's why I like the triple meter, 174, and I'm getting 8.1, 8.2. So just take 170, I put it at 180, because I'm going to be 3 more miles to get here, and then take that number and divide it by 8.2 and put that much gas in. It's that simple. That's it. Make sure and subscribe. Check out some of my other videos. That Hummer you've seen and all kinds of cool classic cars are on my channel. I sell a lot of them. One Owner Car Guy, my channel Cereal Marshmallows. Enjoy your U-Haul trip. These new ones have a unique feature that when you touch the brakes and you're going down a grade, it'll downshift the transmission and kind of engine brake you. Pretty cool. Pretty stinking cool. And when you put your gas back on a bit, it just starts, it'll go back down. Even in town, when you're slowing down, it'll kick the RPMs up and put the engine brake on. Pretty cool.